We really think that as the world digitizes with the opportunities that we see to solve big problems, the next step is partnership. And I was just talking with Saurabh and Harish Bhai before in terms of saying that great, this has been a great journey for $260 billion. Yes. And what do we want to achieve in the next 10 years? And I was telling them that actually Trump might be a blessing in disguise.
Why do you say that?
It will focus the Indian talent, it will focus the Indian IT industry to focus on solving problems in India. And I think that the domestic market is huge. Within that, I think that what the Jio platform offers and what we look forward to is really partner with the next generation to really solve problems for India, to improve quality of life for our people, to make sure that our industries are more productive, and to again, not only, as Harish Bhai just told me, that this is reimagine and not re-engineer.
Yes.
Right? So fundamentally, it's like our view is that we partner, and in this is all about building the digital ecosystem. No one company can do it on its own. Yes. And we really have to adopt the next gen technology. India has to be the capital of real implementation of blockchain to build the trust economy in terms of the internet. We have the opportunity really to make sure that we adapt artificial intelligence and natural language processing. We adapt drones in terms of our own logistics. So I think that the opportunities are immense, and we now have the infrastructure to do it in our own market and make India one of the biggest software markets in the world.